Vice President of our TNL, our SDO Kurul, President of TSL, President of TNWL, and officials of this bodybuilding association of Kurul district under the leadership of our Sri Robert Maitei, all the officials, those who are working under this association, and also all my beloved students and friends from media. Very good morning to one and all. Today we all are here on the great occasion, that is Felicitation and Thanksgiving ceremony of our two athletes from our district, Miss Solimla and Solan Jajo. It's a really kind of a matter of pleasure, honor, happiness for me, because whenever we try to support someone, and if they come with the good result, with the good outcome, it really makes us happy and also satisfied. We know that they have done great job to uplift and also bring the name of our district on the not only the state level but also national level page. They also attract not only our district level, state level, but also national level. Many people, they now come to know about our Ukhrul district. As we come to know, also know that our Robert, how great he has done many jobs, not at his personal level, but also as a head. He has groomed the many players, many athletes from our Ukhrul district. That is very important thing for the upliftment of our people and also development of our district. So far the perception, generally people from outside, they have it's a little bit different, but now I am sure that would be changed, because it's a kind of a new beginning and an initiative which was taken by our association BBAUD. It's really great. It really makes me also happy as a head of district administration. If I had come forward to help someone and if they brought some good result, it motivates us, it encourages us to do the same good job with the same spirit for the welfare, for the development, for the grooming of any athletes from our district, so that we can proudly say that these athletes, they are from our Ukhrul district only. So, first of all, I would like to congratulate our two successful athletes, those like Miss Solimla and Solan Jajo, who have secured second and fourth place in 54th Asian Bodybuilding and Physique Sport Championship, which was held in Maldives. It's a really great achievement for not only for these two athletes, but also for us as a part of this district, because it's also kind of a proud moment for each and everyone. So wherever we will be, we can highlight these achievements, which is from our district also. We know that in the sports sectors, the first Olympic medal which was secured by India in 19th century, 1900, by the athlete who was a kind of a British athlete, but who has participated on behalf of India in the France summer game, and he had secured medals. But when we talk about the women athletes, female athletes, the first medal came after a century in 2000 in Sydney Olympic Games. The gap we can easily realize and we can easily observe and we can easily understand what was the difference. Nowadays, scenario has been almost I would say completely changed. Till 2000, all games was supposed to be available to participate only for the male athletes. Whatever medals our country has secured, received, all from the same arena. Whether it's a hockey, yeah, other games, badminton, all the games. But from the 2000 Sydney Olympic game, scenario was completely changed. Now, at our national level and state level also, many examples are there. Why I'm mentioning here? Because today, if I could see from the back side, our students are there. And just to kind of encourage there, because our two athletes, they would be a kind of best example from our district for all the future aspiring athletes. So at the same time, I would mention about some athletes from the national level. We all knows that about the Fogart sisters, those who are quite famous and familiar for each and everyone in the wrestling arena. All 6 sisters, they were from the small village of Haryana, and how they were groomed by their coach come father, how they were motivated and how they had done hard work and they reached up to all the level, whether it's a state level, national level or international level also. They have received landmark achievements in their life. We also know that about our Srimati Mary Kom, who is from our state only. Now she is an honorable member of Rajya Sabha. She has been a kind of pioneer for all the athletes, those who are from our state. It's a kind of a motivation and encouragement when she presents, she represents our state. Also, we feel proud whenever she represent our state, our nation in any big championship. Our two athletes, they have represented our Ukhrul district. We also know that many female athletes from the different games, from cricket, Jhulan Goswami, Mithali Das, and our sprinter Anne George from Kerala, Karnam Maleswari. Many examples we have. But when we talk about the of district, which is itself in the nation part of northeastern states, and in the state itself, northeastern district, that is Ukhrul, to bring on the national page, international page, we all should come forward to extend our help to kind of association like BBAD under the leadership of our Sri Robert and all his colleagues. It's a kind of an opportunity for each and everyone, whether we part of a district administration or civil society organization. It's a really matter, small help matter for such kind of achievements. Whether we are able to extend our help in a big manner or a small manner, all help matters. In fact, sometimes if we are not able to help someone financially, we can help through our word of encouragement, through our emotion, through our physical support, and through be the part of such kind of felicitation, so that such kind of athletes, they feel proud and also encouraged, motivated to do something best and achieve more big which they have achieved today. So since many students are here, we don't know, someone might be thinking to become someday some officer, kind of an officer. Someone might have some a dream to be the a part of civil society organization, be the president and vice president, like our Sri Tusem, and also our president of TSL, to serve our society, to help the people, those who are from our society, to help those who are needy, to motivate and encourage to do something good for, not only for them but also for our district and state, and bring at the national pace. So with this word, since I have today very tight schedule, but since it was a kind of a proud moment for our district, so I had come and joined this program because I was thinking to be the part of this program. This is a kind of a motivation for each and everyone. And in future also, with our whatever capacity, will continue to help such kind of a great initiative under our bodybuilding association and all the sports sector. Will try to continue and extend whatever help is possible. And I'm also really thankful to our civil society organizations, and our special thanks to our Robert and his team for doing great for our district and bringing the name of district at national page also. And I would wish, I also wish and pray to God to bring our district name on international page also. So with this word, I would again extend my congratulations and best wishes to our two athletes and their parents also, because we all know that we can just see their smile on their faces and successes, but we can't see the sacrifices they have made behind this. The hardship, the trouble, the problem, the hard work they have faced or done behind the curtain, only they knows. Only they knows, and their parents knows, and their coach knows. Because they have all together worked together, and they realize they face the same kind of issues. But today in this program, we just can see their happiness and smiley face and successes. So we all should be ready to help these kind of initiatives and our athletes, those who are from district, so that they should not feel kind of alone and helpless. So again, I would say thank you and a big congratulations from my core of heart to these athletes and their coach, Sri Robert. Thank you very much.